Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
A small red car goes along the big long track. What's this? A tall, tall mountain. The car wants to go up. It's not working. No, car, it's too steep. You can't go up the hill. Call someone for help. Helper cars, come out. Let's knock on the gate. Hello, cars. Can you build a road up the tall mountain? Let's try. An excavator, truck, bulldozer, and crane are going to help the small car. The excavator digs into the mountain with its large bucket. The bulldozer removes the excess land. The crane unloads road segments from the truck. Look! The little car is already driving along the new highway. Please be careful. The road isn't finished yet. Oh! The crane caught the car. So that no one falls, fences need to be installed. Now everything is ready. The helper cars drive back to the garage. Thank you so much.
Helper cars.